Yo, what's up, everybody? Today, we're gonna be playing Night Before the Blizzard. You know, I saw this game, and it looked pretty cool. I don't got nobody to play with because I don't got that many friends. Hope Sparkle here. I guess he's gonna be joining me. He must know I'm recording. But yeah, let me stop talking. Let's get into the game. Okay, so we just put up to the crib. The objective is go inside your house. But let's do it. Go to bed and rest. Dog, I just got here. Hold on. Well, before I do that, I'm about to check out the house. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. When I probably get my own house, when I'm older, I'm gonna get me some big speakers or like surround sound, because I'm gonna be blasting music from the living room. We got a star. Got a closet. What do I do with the closet? We got the fireplace that is oddly positioned. Can I burn myself? No. We got a bunch of stuff here. This is like one of the most expensive items on Roblox. I can't even hold you. Another closet. Oh, some dude grabbed me. He just like stuck me in the closet with him. It was like the worst way to die. Got a computer. Okay. This kind of what my game is set up look like. It's just my computer is like not right there. Anything in here? I'm making sure all these closets are gone. What is this? Okay. All right, let's go to sleep, bro. Night one. What the? What? What's going on? Hello?
Attention. Yep. This is an important message from the government of Roblox. We are issuing a severe weather warning for the entire region. A powerful snowstorm is approaching, and it poses a unique and heightened risk. For your well-being, we strongly advise everyone to stay indoors and avoid any unnecessary travel. Close all windows and doors securely. Do not, under any circumstances, venture outside during the storm. Please cooperate with all directives from local authorities. Thank you for your attention, and stay safe, residents of Roblox. Okay.
Take care of the fireplace by getting wood from outside, but be careful with the cold and what's outside. Keep an eye on the wardrobes. A delusion may appear causing noise and a strange effect. It will jump scare you. Observe the threat outside the house. My fault. Observe the threat outside the house, flashing its face to scare it. It is very sensitive to light. What up? Jump scare me. What's up? Alright. Okay. Is everything safe? So basically we gotta survive? I don't really understand this. It says beware the delusion. How?
In the push star whip, ain't gotta crank it like I'm soldier. I've been said that we the largest. Now we lit, I thought I told you.
Alright, we gonna try that again. I stayed too. I don't even know what happened. I just got hit. He hit me with a 2-piece, bro. Cause I shouldn't even die right there. Cause really, I'm the best player in the game. That was a little test run, bro. I'm the best player in the game. I don't know what's wrong with y'all. Anybody tell you otherwise, they capping. All right, night one. Cause it was kind of unfair because he did attack me while I was reading the stuff. So, cause I don't know how you want me to be aware of them thingies and they stuck in the closet and they being freaky.
Hey yo! A powerful snowstorm is approaching, and it poses a
so do I have to eat?
For your well-being.
Oh, I got a present. Let me.
What did
I get?
Avoid any unnecessary travel. Close all windows and doors securely.
But like if I do that, is it gonna jump scare me when I open a closet or? Keep an eye on the ward. A delusion may appear causing noise. So what do you want me to do? It just says keep an eye on it. Did I just open the closet? It's over here. Oh, okay. I gotta open it. I heard him. They do make a loud noise. Bro. I just sniffed in so hard. Oh. Code him. Go outside. Can he jump scare me while I'm outside? Because that's not gonna be fair. Because this game is oddly unfair. He's in the closet and I'm outside. What, bro? What do you want me to do, bro? What do you want me to do when I got 3 dudes on my butt? I said 3 dudes. Like hypothermia is a dude. That is okay, bro. We know what to do. I ain't finna waste no more time. Night 1. Let's get into it. Give me that present though. Santa came early. All right. Give me that. I don't even know what they do. I just kind of get them.
This is an important message.
I'm gonna go outside, matter of fact. I'm gonna go outside and get these things real quick.
Weather warning for the entire region. A powerful snowstorm is approaching, and it poses
I'm gonna give me some wood just so when that thing go out. Alright, just check the stuff and get off. Okay. You gotta be quick. You really gotta listen out. So I gotta turn. Hold on, let me turn up the volume of my headset. Cause I gotta listen. What do I walk like that? Right here. Get out. Get out. Does he only go in this room? Get out. I'm gonna go get this. I'm gonna go get his wood. Get out. What you doing? That dude is freaky looking. I hate the way he looked, bro. All right. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Where? It's right here. Get out. Did I get it? Bro, I'm actually the best player in the game. He opened the door. Let me go get this. Hold on. You're so weird. He's right here though. I can get him. I can get him. I'm the best player in the game, bro. No. He's in the house. Did they get him? He's in there. I have to take a hit. I can't get in there in time. I'm taking a hit. GG's. Yeah, I had to. I need the wood. I'm gonna wait till dude come here and I'm gonna go out and get it. Can I like sprint something? It would be kind of convenient to say I'm going in and out the house. Let me flash him. Sit down. The method is to keep stocking up on wood. Like, get the dude out your house and then stock up on wood. Please, get in the house. Go! I think I got him. Bro, why are you in here? Hit him with a log. I'm gonna wait till the fire run out, bro. Yeah, I'm straight. I think that's the reason I'm struggling. I'm not waiting till the fire run out. Oh, here. Yep. Right there. Sit down. Go get it. Go get it. I'm dead, bro. I'm dead. And he's fast. It's freak. And I'm dead. Okay, we're back after he just pin slapped me with his claws. We know what to do now, though. We got to 4 a.m. I'm heavy set we can do this. This is gonna be the run right here. This is the run. You finna lock in? Hold on. I'm dead. He killed me. Okay, I'm locking in. That just made me mad. I'm locking in. Because there's no way I'm losing to this guy. Hold on. Is there anything in these drawers? Like what's the point? What's the point of these if there's nothing in them? How you telling me to shush you making noise? Why is he attacking me specifically though? There's a bunch of stuff over there that you could be attacking. You attacking my house. All these people on Roblox, and you attacking my house. Get on my closet, dude. Okay. What? No. How do you? I'm dead. Where's the? Bruh. Where's the lighter? Bro. Where's the lighter? How do I light it? Like if a... Bruh. I'm a... Oh my god. This game. I can't do nothing. I'm gonna die, bro. The fire went out and it's not replenishing. I can't use like the ashes, bro. Oh my god. Give me that. Give me that too. You know what? Might as well. Just give me all the presents. Refuel the fire. Fuel the fire. Wait till he comes. Wait till he comes. Yep, right here. Go out and get some wood. That should be straight. Unless you're gonna be biased and come right now. Come on, pop up, do something. And the fire is good. Yep, right here. Come on. Where are you at? No, not right now, not right now. There he is. He just broke a window. Flashed. Fire, 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 fire. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get no wood. He's about to come. Yep. Get it. Like, how am I gonna get wood when I have both of them on my back? What do you expect me to do? This game is so good. It's not even fair. Like, they're both coming simultaneously.
Hey,
how do you expect me to? What do you expect me to do? Like, I need to get the wood. Ooh, fire! Oh my god! In the worst places too. He's gonna come. I'm gonna wait for him. What's that guy doing? I'm gonna take another hit from this guy to go get the campfire. Or the wood, I meant. Gonna take another hit from him. Yeah, I'm gonna take another hit. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Oh wait, or not, or not. Or not. No, dang, he's coming. That's not good. Oh my god, get on the thing. Flash! Alright. Fire, fire. What? The fire? Good. Okay. It's good for now. I don't know why it's open. I'm literally giving them an easier way to get to me. Get out my closet. I'm gonna let the fire get a little lower. That boy just hopped through my window.
Woo! It's showtime!
That was night before the blizzard. I can't beat this game by myself. I'm gonna keep it real. I cannot beat this game by myself. I'll probably try it again with a few friends next time, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I appreciate you guys for sticking around to the end, because I've been recording for like 40 minutes. So I'm gonna see y'all boys later. I'm out. Y'all stay safe.